Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Databricks Connect step by step clearly. To uninstall Databricks Connect, start by opening your command line interface. Ensure you have the correct environment activated where Databricks Connect is installed. Type the command to view the installed packages. This can usually be done by running piplist or conda list depending on your environment. Locate Databricks Connect in the list of installed packages. Next, to proceed with the uninstallation, use the uninstall command. For pip users, the command is pip uninstall Databricks Connect. For conda users, use conda remove Databricks Connect. Press enter to execute the uninstallation command. You may be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. If prompted, type Y or yes and press enter. Once the process completes, verify that Databricks Connect has been removed. You can do this by running piplist or conda list again. Look for Databricks Connect in the list to confirm it is no longer present. If the package is still listed, repeat the uninstallation steps. After successfully uninstalling, consider cleaning up any related configuration files. Review your environment for any residual files that may remain. Finally, restart your command line interface to ensure all changes take effect. This concludes the uninstallation process for Databricks Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.